with you. And what I mean by that is I don't want to target the audience who is trying to decide, do I want to remodel my kitchen? Do I want to remodel my bathroom? What I want to target is the audience who's already decided I want to, but what I don't know is who I want to do the work, who I want to help me, who I want to design it for me. So that's what this all comes into. And the first thing is that we need to restructure the way that we put content on our website. Is it optimized for those featured snippets, for that zero-click position? And the first thing I always tell people is look at your headline. Is the headline the top of the page? Is it a statement or is it a question? If it's not a statement, tweak it. Turn it into a question. Brown, white shaker cabinet selection in 2026 is a statement. Should I install white shaker cabinets 2026? Very different. The next piece is, are you actually citing